As a global and international leading HVAC manufacturer, Dunham-Bush creates a full range of products for air conditioning industry. DBV6 Pro, our new generation full DC inverter VRF system. With a capacity of up to 114 horsepower, multiple outdoor units combine seamlessly to deliver reliable performance for various applications. Engineered with advanced and innovative features. EnvironBox, the IP55 fully enclosed electrical control box, provides comprehensive protection for internal components, significantly enhancing system reliability across various environmental conditions. SmartLink, Dunham-Bush. SmartLink communication technology supports any wiring path, rather than just daisy chain connection, reducing installation costs and the possibility of an incorrect connection. Hypersensor. Up to 17 sensors are distributed throughout the refrigerant system. The status of the refrigerant can be determined throughout the process, ensuring high reliability and comfort. Air ease with 0.5 degrees Celsius temperature adjustment. Air ease is a very important feature of the air conditioning system. With 7 fan speed selection and 360 degrees airflow, DBV6 Pro, BT Connect, powered by a cloud-based big data and AI platform, DBV6 Pro enables real-time system monitoring, early fault prediction, and intelligent maintenance data analysis. With an integrated Bluetooth module and dedicated service tool. Energy-wise, with a built-in professional operation and maintenance algorithm, DBV6 Pro's annual operation energy efficiency of each set of systems is increased by more than 28%. At Dunham-Bush, quality begins at the source. Built on world-class manufacturing standards and driven by professional expertise and a spirit of craftsmanship, every system is produced through advanced processes and strict quality control. From precision manufacturing to rigorous testing under extreme conditions, every detail is carefully managed and evaluated. All of this comes together at Dunham-Bush Factory, where performance, precision, and quality unite. DBV6 Pro has been crusted across a diverse range of industries worldwide, including universities and colleges, hospital and pharmaceutical, office buildings, manufacturing facilities, as well as hotels and resorts, etc. Every installation reflects our commitment to reliable, energy-efficient, and comfortable air conditioning, supporting critical environments and improving everyday experiences. Start your next valued project with a trusted VRF system. Contact Tritech today to find the right solution.